This right here happens to be our telephone line. Take down this number. The phone number is 330-941-0942. Wrong. That is my phone number. Do not call it. Okay? I'm just joking. Anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to dial 330-941-4010. That is our call-in line. Okay? So if you want people to call in, they will use this number. Remember, studio phone line, 330-941-4010. Okay, now, here is how you are going to get this phone to activate so that you can get it on air. This right here happens to be the TELOS. TELOS happens to be our phone line, okay? You see how there's a bunch of squares here, in and out. Well, there is an on button. This is telephone line. Okay, that is line 1. You're going to hit it on once you have a call. If the phone rings, you hit this button right here, activate it, it turns green. Then you're going to come over to the board. You are going to hit this button right here and listen very carefully. Do you hear that dial tone? That means you're online, and so is the person. If the caller hangs up, you have to turn it off. Because if you do not, then you kill the phone line. And please, whatever you do, make sure you do not disconnect the phone from the back. Somebody has a tendency to disconnect the phone because they don't want to answer phone calls. Well, I hate to tell you this, when you are on air, you need to take phone calls. Otherwise, you're just talking at people, and people will not want to listen to your radio show because it's not about you. It's about your listeners. Okay? So remember that. It's not about you. It is about the listeners. Next thing, TELOS. So here's how we do it again. TELOS. A phone call comes in. You can first answer the phone first and then put them on hold. Okay? You would put them on hold. How you take them off a hold is you activate on, come back over here to the phone line, you hit caller, you hear that, okay, pot it up, and then they're going to be listening. If not, then they will not be listening at all. But you can put them on hold there, and then what you do is put your headphones on, activate your microphone, and then get busy talking to them. When you're done, make sure you shut that line off. If you do not, then it kills the phone line, okay? So that is what needs to happen. Once you're done with that, then you are ready to roll with your show. Now, you have to do it a couple times to get comfortable with it. Remember, only line 1 is activated, just line 1. So line 1 over here, telephone line. There are 2 lines, but we're only using line 1. Okay? So line 1 is what you're using.